Hello, dear friend. How are you? And I hope you all are fine over there and somewhat happy because we are having now vaccine to fight with corona, and everything is going on very smoothly. From standard 9 and standard 10 are getting physical class also, and let us hope we also will meet face to face. But till that time, let us continue with this virtual lesson. Here we are going to see lesson number 5, Yojaka Tatra Durlabha. It is a very nice story, and if I don't know you have heard about one poem written in Gujarati by Dalpat Ram. Eh? I don't know whether you have heard or not, but from your pens you may heard that sometime. That there was एक तो ऊंट बराबर। तो दलपत राम ने कुछ ऐसी कविता लिखी है उसमें कि ऊंट कहे आ सभा में वाका आंगो वाला भूतल पर पशुओं ने पक्षियों नो पार नहीं। इस तरह से वो पोएम शुरू होती है। मीन्स देर मे बी सम person in our society, they used to find fault in the arrangement. They always finding faults and mistakes and blaming. Consider themselves a good one, and all others are with some faults. So here also the same story is there. It is a nice pictorial story for you. But let me explain you about the title. That Yojaka Tatra Durlabha. Yojaka means a planner. Yojaka means planner. Tatra means there, and Durlabha means very rare. Okay, this world is full of variety, full of diversities, and these all are needed. Whatever God has created, or we can say nature has created, from an ant to an elephant, from very insignificant to a mighty one, from sand to mountain, whatever it is created, they have their importance on this earth. They have their importance. Now, what is the problem is where the problem is with the planner. Though there is lots of things are there, but planner must be there, no? How to use each and everything in proper manner. That is the most important things, and that sometimes we are missing. Planner is not there. Okay, I have certain kinds of fault with me, or some certain kinds of fault you may have with you. Some students are good at study, some are good at sports, some are good at drawing, some are good at craft. So everybody has the different skills and talent in them. Now what is the important thing? That we should have to find out that talent. What the talent is there hidden in that particular person, and we should have to plan in such a way that his talent must get chance to come out. Okay, so this is the importance of a planner. The school is providing that platform. Various competition going to held. Exams are also going to held. Exams are held to find out the person who is interested in study. Competitions are held to find out who is good at in which particular field. Here we are going to see, this is the moral that we have to learn from this lesson. Here we will going to listen and enjoy a nice story. Yojaka Tatra Durlabha. Title is A Planner is Rare There. A planner is rare there. Now here I am going to read paragraph by paragraph. Picture a story is there. Picture is there in front of that. Some lines are given. I will read that all 4 lines. Then I will give meaning and then translation. You have to listen me carefully. एक उष्ट्र अस्ति, उष्ट्र स्वभावेन वक्र अस्ति, स सर्वदा दोष एव पश्यति, एकदा सह वने अटति. Now write down the meaning. Eka means one, Ustra means camel, Asti means is. Ustra, camel, Swabhavena, by nature. Vakra means cowed or strange. थोड़ा टेढ़ा था, सोच उसका स्वभाव थोड़ा टेढ़ा था. Cowed or strange. Sah means it or he. Sarvada, always. Dosha means mistake or fault. Eva, only. Pashyati, here we can write three meanings. Is finding, or is seeing, or is looking. Three. Here is finding will be the nice in according to the context. If you going to write is looking at, then also no problem, or is seeing, then also no problem. Okay. Ekda means once, Saha means he, Vane means in the forest, Atati, in a forest, Atati means is wandering. Now the translation. There is a camel. The camel is cowed by nature. He always finding fault only. He or it always finding fault only. Once he is wandering in a forest. Ekada Savane Atati means once he is wandering in a forest. Now second test. Here you can see in the picture, camel is there on the branch of a tree, a parrot is sitting. Now here I am going to read the another four line. Marge स्ववृक्षस्य उपरि एकं शुकं पश्यति. उष्ट्र शुकाय कथ्यति, हे शुक तव चंचु वक्रा अस्ति. शुकः लज्जाम् अनुभवति. उष्ट्र हसति, अग्रे चलति. Now meaning. Marge means on the way. Saha means he or it. Vrukshasya means of tree. Upari, on. Ekam, one. Shukam, parrot. Pashyati means is looking. Here looking, देखता है वो. Ustra, the camel. Shukaya, to parrot. Kathyati is telling. He Shuka, O parrot. Tava means your. Chanchu means big. Vakra means cowed. अस्ति, आपने देखी होगी जो पैरट की चोंच होती है वो थोड़ी मुड़ी हुई होती है, बट इट हैज इज फंक्शन. वो फ्रूट्स का सेल तोड़ने में काम लाती है. सो नेचर इज गिवन काउड विक बिकॉज फॉर द पर्टिकुलर पर्पस. तो वक्रा मीन्स काउड, चोंच मुड़ी हुई ना दिखती है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड वक्रा. सुक मीन्स द पैरट. लज्जा मीन्स शेम. अनुभवती feels or is feeling. Ustra, the camel. Hasati, laugh. Agre means ahead. Chalati is moving or is going. Now translation. On the way, he looks a parrot on a tree. On the way, he looks a parrot on a tree. The camel is telling to parrot, Hey Shuka means, O parrot, your beak is cowed. Your beak is cowed. Shuka lajjam anubhavati means the parrot feels shame. The parrot feels shame. The camel laughs and walks ahead. देखो यहाँ पर जो हसती, चलती, पश्यति, these are some action verbs are there. Sometime I am taking it is in a present continuous tense, simple, and sometimes I use it in simple present tense. According to the where the translation which is most suitable, that verb form I am using. Means here this pashyati, kathyati, anubhavati, chalati we can use in both way. either for simple present tense or present continuous tense. Okay. Now third, here you can see one dog is there on the way and camel is there. Marge sa kukuram pashyati. उष्ट्र कुक्कुराय कथ्यति हे कुक्कुर तव पुच्छम वक्रम अस्ति कुक्कुरः लज्जाम अनुभवति उष्ट्र हसति अग्रे चलति. Now I think you understood the translation of this stanza or this paragraph. What can be? What is mean by kukkura? Very easy word. Kukkura, dog. Kukkura means dog. Pashyati means looks or is looking. Kukkuraye, two dog. Kathyati, tells or is telling. Pucham means tail. Vakra means cowed. In other, all things are the same. So what will be the translation? Easy one, no? Okay. Then also I am giving you the translation. On the way, he looks or he see a dog. On the way, he see a dog. The camel tells to the dog, "O dog, your tail is curved. Your tail is curved." The dog feels shame. The camel laugh and walk ahead. Agre means ahead, walk ahead. Now the next. Here you can see crane is there. Marge bakah asti bakam dushtva ustra vadati tava griva vakra asti baka ustram prati pashyati apina. Now, meaning, baka means crane, asti means is, drushtava means seen or having seen, vadati means speaking or speak, tava means you know, your, prati means towards, pashyati means look or is looking, na means no. So, what happened? Now, first let the translation, then the explanation. There is a crane on the way. There is a crane on the way. Having seen the crane, the camel speak. Having seen the crane, the camel speak. Your neck is curved. You can see here, the neck of the crane is curved, not straight. So, your neck is curved. The crane even doesn't look towards the camel. The crane even doesn't look towards the camel. So, because you know, for what purpose the crane is famous? For what thing? It is famous for its concentration. When it stands on its one leg in a pond or in any water body and just concentrating itself on the fish. And so he is able to catch the fish. So here also it is in his concentration. So the crane even doesn't look at toward the camel. Now the next. You can see in the picture a fox is there and camel is there. Marge srungalah milati. Srungala pruchati. Ushtra brahata katham asti. Swasthyam samichinam va. You know, no, fox is very clever. He is considered a very clever animal in the forest. So, even before the camel could say him anything, he just started talking with him. Marge srungalah milati, srungala pruchati. उष्ट्रभ्रात कथम अस्ति स्वास्थ्य समीचीनं वा. Now marge means on the way, Shrungala means fox, milati means meet or is meeting. Shrungala means fox, pruchati means is asking or ask. Ustrabhrata means brother camel. Katham asti, how are you? Katham asti, how are you? Swasthyam means health. Samichinam means alright or okay, and va is used for making question. Okay, so now listen to the translation. A fox meets on the way. The fox asks, Brother Camel, how are you? Brother Camel, how are you? Is your health alright? Or is the health alright? Your here I add only for the making the translation easy to understand. Otherwise, is health alright? Samichinam is okay or alright. स्वास्थ्य means health. Is health alright? क्या तबीयत वबीयत ठीक है ना, बराबर है ना. The fox asked to camel. Now what the camel reply, you see. उष्ट्र वदति स्वास्थ्यं समीचीनं किन्तु अन्यत किमपि समीचीनं नास्ति. शुकस्य चंचु वक्र, कुकरस्य पुच्छं वक्रं, बकस्य ग्रीवा वक्रा. What the camel replied? First I am going to give meaning. Ushtra means camel, vadati means speak, swasthya means health, samichinam means okay, alright, kintu but, anyata any other, kimapi means anything, kimapi anything, samichinam alright or okay, nasti means is not, na plus asti is not. सुकस्य मीन्स ऑफ पैरट. देखो याद रखना, सुकाय टू पैरट, सुकम टू, दैट इज ऑल्सो टू पैरट. सुकस्य मीन्स ऑफ पैरट, चंचु मीन्स बिग, वक्रा मीन्स काउड, कुकरस्य मीन्स ऑफ डॉग, पुच्छ मीन्स यू नो टेल, वक्र मीन्स काउड, एंड बकस्य मीन्स ऑफ क्रेन, Griva means neck, Vakra means cowed. So what the camel replied? Now translation I am going to give you. The camel speak. Health is all right, but any other thing is not all right. Health is all right, but any other thing is not all right. The beak of parrot is curved, the tail of dog is curved, and the neck of crane is curved. So this is the conversation here between the camel and the fox. And now here we are going to stop today. In the next period we will see the another part of the lesson and the exercise part. I will explain how to write the answer and other things. Okay, so till the time with this video I will also send you translation till here, that you have to write down in your CW all the meanings and translation till this page number 14. Today we have seen chapter 5. In that page number 13 and 14 we have seen. I will send you meaning and the translation about this paragraph. Paragraph wise I will send you by giving number 1, paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2. Okay, so in that sense we have seen 6 paragraph today, small paragraph, but 6 paragraph we have seen, and that translation and meanings I will going to send you to the PDF, that you have to please note down in your CW. In the next period we will see the part 2 of this lesson. Okay, till the time, study well and take care of you. Thank you very much.